This how-to video will be on how to change the isolation code of a call station using the VT3000 software. And the reason you do this is if you have multiple coordinators in your facility, and so anytime you do that, you want each one kind of on its own isolation code so you don't get any interference. Another reason is that possibly something's operating on that 900 megahertz system that's interfering with VersaCall, so we want to change that channel, try to alleviate that interference. So the first thing you're going to do is find out what isolation code your coordinator that you're wanting to use for your call station. We want to know what isolation code it's on. So I have two systems running here. I've got one here and one here. So basically the way I find out is I go to VT3000 core software, and then I want to be in system settings under administration, select that here, or I can go here. And then once I'm here, I want service, and then I want coordinators, and then I'm going to select my coordinator. And so as you can see, this system, the coordinator is on isolation code number 3. So if I discard next to here, I go to my device status under diagnostics over here. As you can see, I do not have a call station here. So if I go to my other system here, this up, and I go to system settings under administration, I select my service, and I go to coordinators, and I look at there's coordinator. You can see that it is on isolation code 14 or channel 14. Now, if I go here from a diagnostics to device status, we can see I have a call station right here. So this is the one that I want to switch over to my other system. So essentially what I do is I select options way over here on the right hand side, and then I'm going to hit commands, and I'm going to select this down arrow for commands, and then there's this option right here for set isolation code, and by default it'll always say 1. You just highlight that, and like I was telling you, I want to set this to number 3, so I type in a 3, and then I hit issue command. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to do that, because after I do this, I won't be able to communicate with it on this system. So I'm going to say yes. I hit OK, so it says that it sent that to the device. So I'm going to return to here. And now I'm going to go over on my other system, which was this one here. And then here's where we had that diagnostics pulled up. And as you can see, that just showed up. So now I have that call station on this system. That concludes this how-to on setting up a call station isolation code using the VT3000 software. And I look forward to talking to you again.